Just realised, got no highlighter on. Got no highlighter on. That's better. Anyway, today is a very exciting day. It's another unboxing. And it's my pink parcel. I haven't had pink parcel for a while. I cancelled, not because they were rubbish, because they're never rubbish. I cancelled because my periods are so random and I just have enough period products to last me for a very long time. So I cancelled. But I did always miss the box. So for those of you that don't know, pink parcel is a period subscription box. I think it's now $12.99 a month. And it comes like this. So yeah, this is what it comes like. It does say it fits through 94% of letterboxes, but mine has never ever fitted through any letterboxes. Oh, it's changed slightly since I last had this new. Ooh. Oh, so yeah, you get little codes and stuff. You get a For You box, which is the box that everyone cares about. You get a little bag, which is full of pads and tampons. You can specify if you want pads, if you want tampons, if you want both. I have both, so this one has got panty liners and tampons. You get a bedtime box, which is full of bedtime pads. Obviously you tell them sort of when your period is and they'll send it, so it ties in with that. And then you've got another one here of more pads and tampons. So we're just going to go to the box, the only box that anybody cares about. You just stay down there. I do like this though, it's really pretty, cute little. This is the box. This is the For You box. So in here you get lots of little treats. I'm going to quickly just look at these. So we've got that is a shake code for something. This is a £40 off HelloFresh. And then you get your pink parcel post, which tells you everything that is inside the box. I'm not going to look yet, I'll look at that in a minute. So in here, this is what is in this little box. Oh, so first off, I've got a little bag that says bandies. What are you? They're hair ties. These are 3 little hair bubbles. I love these hair bubbles actually for the girls. They're really good because they don't pull their hair. They're like little stretchy pretty ones. They're really nice colours as well. You've got, oh, there's 4 hair ties. And they've got this little bag. And I'll quickly just see. Oh, I've got such a sore throat. I'm gonna get some water. Right, my throat is now better. I've just been filming a lot this morning and just talking constantly. So the bandies are $5.95 for the 4. Or it says a $4.95 with a bandy subscription, so I'm assuming that there's a subscription for it. So they're super cute. Next up we've got, oh, a brow coat. Where are you? This is a brow coat waterproof gel. This is $6.99, and this is from the same company that make lip coat, so that's super exciting. Next up is a, oh, made by Cooper's Apothecary, Happy Lime, Basil and Clementine Atmosphere Mist. Ooh, that's snazzy. Where are you? Dropping everything. So this is £12. This is a full-size product, and this says spray this zesty mix of lime and clementine basil into the air or onto your pillow. That's really cool. I can't spray it now because the fish are there, but I will let you guys know down below how that is. But that's awesome. I've never seen anything like that in a box. Next up, we've got a Larizzi Cosmetics eye pencil, which is £18. This is full size. Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks like that's going to smudge out really nicely. Oh, look how easily that smudges out. Oh, I'm excited to use that. Yes. And it's called Night Blue. It's a really dark, like midnight blue. Yes. What's next? What's this? Oh, Vega. This must be the, this is nutrient powder. This is chocolate flavour. This is what the little smoothie thing was at the start. This is $29.99 for 613 grams. This is a 36 gram sample. Create a tasty shake using this delicious powder with 13 essential vitamins. So that's really cool. I'll give that a go. And then we've got a tea, which is a We Are Tea Sencha Green Tea. The tea is bursting with antioxidants to give you a boost on a cold, dreary day. These are $12.99 for 15 tea bags. And then finally is chocolate. This is Montezuma's Organic Milk Chocolate Chili and Lime. Go forth and try something new. These are 99p and this is a full-size product. So I'm not having it now because I'm doing Slimming World and I haven't got the sins for it today. But I am so excited to try this. So yeah, this was a really nice pink parcel actually. I'm really pleased I got it this month. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.